Hello friends, chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the solid state class 9. Solid state class 9, we are going to discuss about the locating tetrahedral and octahedral voids in face-centered cubic closed packing. You know that in my previous video, I had discussed about the three-dimensional FCC closed packing structure. Okay friends, now how many tetrahedral and octahedral voids are present in that face center cubic closed packing structure? Okay friends, now start this section. See this board. Friends, you know that first of all, what is tetrahedral and octahedral voids? Friends, first of all, tetrahedral void, tetrahedral void. Friends, tetrahedral void. You know that four atoms are combined to produce a one void. That void is called as tetrahedral void. Okay friends, four atoms. That four atoms is three atoms is arranged in this manner, like this trigonal manner, and one atom is present at over of these three atom like this. Okay friends, this is the top of the atom is present in these three atoms. Okay friends, these three atoms are trigonal manner, and top one atom is present in the like this black atom. Okay friends, these four atom form to this inside void. That void is called as tetrahedral void. Okay friends, what is tetrahedral void? Friends, tetrahedral void is four atoms are combined to form it. It means four atoms are closely packed to form a generate a one void. That void is called as tetrahedral void. Okay friends, now what is octahedral voids? Okay friends, what is octahedral void? Friends, what is octahedral void? Octahedral void is six atoms are combined to form. Okay friends, six atoms are closely packed to form a and generate a void. That void is called as octahedral void. First three atoms are arranged in this trigonal manner. I am represented to the black color. Okay friends, these are the first three atoms are arranged in triangular manner, and another three atoms are arranged in triangular manner but different direction. Okay friends, this is the one atom, this is another atom, and this is another atom. Okay friends, this is called as octahedral void. Okay friends, inside this void is called as octahedral void, is represented to the O. Okay friends, this is the octahedral voids. This black color atoms is arranged in this triangle. Okay friends, this triangle manner, and this blue color atoms is arranged in another triangle. The triangle is like this. Okay friends, to form a void, inside void, that void is also called as octahedral void. Okay friends, this is the octahedral void. Octahedral void is six atoms are closely packed to form a that some empty space. That empty space is called as void. That void is called as octahedral void. Okay friends, this is the octahedral void and this is the tetrahedral void. Okay friends, first of all, this is clear friends. Now I am going to discuss about the how many tetrahedral and octahedral voids are present in FCC closed packing structure. This is clear friends. First of all, this is arise. Okay friends, now I am going to discuss about the how many tetrahedral and octahedral voids is present in face center cubic closed packing structure. Friends, you know that in my previous video I had discussed about the three-dimensional face centered cubic closed packing and cubic closed packing structure. This face centered cubic closed packing is the ABC type manner. Okay friends, this is the ABC type manner. I am represented to the face centered cubic closed packing in my before video. Okay friends, now this structure, how many tetrahedral and octahedral voids are present in there? Friends, first of all, tetrahedral voids are, how many tetrahedral voids are present in this face centered cubic closed packing? Okay friends, this face center cubic closed packing. First of all, what is face center cubic closed packing? Friends, face center cubic closed packing, the atoms are present at corners and faces. Okay friends, the atoms are present at corners and faces. But one more point friends, in face center cubic closed packing, tetrahedral voids is present in body diagonal. Tetrahedral voids is present in body diagonal. This is so much important, friends. Body diagonal. Each body diagonal, two tetrahedral voids are present. This is so much important. First of all, I am represented to the cube. Okay, friends, I am represented to the cube. This is cube. Friends, what is face-centered cubic closed packing, friends? Face-centered unit cell is the atoms are present at corners. Atoms are present at corners and faces. This is one atom. Eight atoms are present at face-centered cubic closed packing is phases. Okay, friends, this is one phase and this is another phase and this is this is the back side of the face. Okay, friends, I am represented to the this center point is this is the upper face. Okay, friends, this is upper face and this is the in the side face and this is the back face. Okay, friends, this is the back face. Okay, friends, these four phases, four atoms are present in there. This is the corner. Okay, friends, these four atom is combined to form a void. That void is called as tetrahedral void. This is so much important, friends. In tetrahedral void is present in face center cubic closed packing is a in body diagonal. Each body diagonal is a two tetrahedral voids is present in there. This is the one corner. The corner is one atom is present in there. This is first atom and another three atoms is present in three phases. This is second one, this is third one and this is fourth one. These four atoms are combined to produce a void. That void is called as tetrahedral void. This is the one corner, this is another corner. This is called as body diagonal. Okay, friends, you know that this is called as body diagonal. Each body diagonal is a two tetrahedral voids. This is the body diagonal. I am represented to that body diagonal is like this. Okay, friends, this is the body diagonal. Okay, friends, this body diagonal is divided into four parts like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, friends, divide into four parts. This is the body diagonal. Okay, friends, you know that in face center cubic closed packing, relation between the radius of atom and edge length of unit cell r is equal to the root 3a by 4. Now what happens, friends? 4r is equal to the root 3a. Okay, friends, this is the relation between radius of atom and edge length of unit cell. This body diagonal. Okay, friends, this is the diagonal. Diagonal length is 4r. I am discussed about this point in my previous video. Now what happens, friends? 4r is equal to the root 3a. Okay, friends, this is the relation between the radius of atom and edge length of unit cell. It means this distance is equal to the root 3a. Okay, friends, now the tetrahedral void is covered in this unit cell is this part. Okay, friends, it means this part is covered to the tetrahedral void. This is so much important. And another tetrahedral void is covered to the in this point to here. Okay, friends, this is the cover to the tetrahedral voids. It means the face center cubic closed packing down tetrahedral voids is covered in this face and this face. It means root 3 by a by 4 part is covered to the tetrahedral void. This is so much important, my friends. What is the tetrahedral void is covered in face center cubic closed packing, friends? Root 3 by a 4 part is covered to the face center cubic closed packing. It means one diagonal is a two tetrahedral voids are present in there. Okay, friends, it means in face center cubic closed packing, how many body diagonals are present in there, friends? How many body diagonals is present in, friends? This is the one body diagonal and this is another body diagonal and this is one more body diagonal and this is one more body diagonal. It means 4 body diagonal is present in there. 4 body diagonal is a 2 tetrahedral voids. Total 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, friends, this is so much important, friends. In face center cubic closed packing, total 8 tetrahedral voids is present in there. It means each body diagonal is a 2 tetrahedral voids. Okay, friends, this is the tetrahedral voids in face center cubic closed packing. Now I am talking about the octahedral voids. This is clear, friends. First of all, this is erase. Okay, friends, now I am going to talk about octahedral voids. How many octahedral voids are present in face center cubic closed packing? Friends, in octahedral voids are present, octahedral void are present at in Face centered cubic closed packing is a first octahedral void present in body centered of the face centered cubic closed packing, and another one is the another octahedral void is present at edge centered point. Okay friends, these two positions octahedral void present in face centered cubic closed packing. First of all, I am considering this cube. Okay friends, I am considering this cube. Friends, in face centered cubic closed packing, atoms are present at corners and faces. Okay friends, first of all, atoms are present at body. Okay friends, you know that in body centered one octahedral void is present in there. That void is like this. Okay friends, first of all, in face centered cubic closed packing is the atoms are present at faces. This is one face and this is another face and this is another face, and this is the front of view and this is the back of face, and this is the lower face. Okay friends, this is the upper face and this is the lower face, and this is back face, and this is front face, and this is in this side left side of the face, and this is the right side of the face. Okay friends, these six phases is six atoms are present in there. These six atoms to form a void. That void is called as octahedral void. This is so much important friends. In face centered cubic closed packing, atoms are present at phases. In these six phases, six atoms are present in there. These six phases, six atoms are produce a some void. It means generate a void. That void is called as octahedral void. This void is called as, this is void is present in these six phases. Produce a void. That void is called as octahedral voids. In face centered cubic closed packing, how many octahedral voids is present in the, in body centered one void is present in there. That void is called as like this. Okay friends, six phases is six atoms are present in there. These six atoms to form a one void. That void is called as octahedral void. In body centered one void is present in there, and in edge centered point. Okay friends, now we have to consider a same cube like this. This cube. Okay friends, this cube and edge centered point. Okay friends, you know that in face centered cubic closed packing, another octahedral void present in edge centered point. Okay friends, this is the edge. This centered point is void is present in there. That void is called as, also called as octahedral void. That octahedral void, six atoms is present in there like this. Okay friends, one atom is in this side and another atom is in this side, and one atom is top and one atom is body. One atom is present in unit cell and another atom is present in this side and another atom is present in this side. These in edge centered point, six atoms are present to produce a void. That void is called as octahedral void. You know that friends, this is a two-dimensional face. One atom is present in front of you and another atom is present in back. Same opposite way. One atom is present in front and one atom is present in opposite way, and one atom is present in this side and one atom is present in this side, and one atom is present in top and one atom is present in bottom. Six atoms are produced to generate a void. That void is called as octahedral void. In face centered cubic closed packing, octahedral voids are present in body centered and edge centered point. In body centered is a one void is present in there, and in edge centered is a like this. In edge centered is a total how many edges are present in this cube friends? Friends, total how many edges are present in this cube friends? This is one edge and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are present in there. 12 edges into, what is the contribution of the atoms? Okay friends, each four atoms are shared to them another unit cells. It means the contribution of these edge centered point, the contribution of the atoms is 1 by 4. It means 3. Okay friends, in edge centered point, how many octahedral voids are present in there? 3. And in body centered is 1. Okay friends, body centered is 1 and edge centered point is 3, total is 4. Okay friends, in face center cubic close packing. Okay friends, in face center cubic close packing, how many octahedral voids are present in there friends? 4 octahedral voids is present in there and 8 tetrahedral void is present in there. It means in face center cubic close packing, what is the rank of unit cell? Rank of unit cell is face center cubic close packing Z is equal to 4. Okay friends, in face center cubic close packing, rank of unit cell is 4 and how many tetrahedral voids are present in there? Tetrahedral voids is present in 8 and what is octahedral voids is present in there? Octahedral voids is present in 4. It means rank of unit cell for face center cubic close packing is 4 and how many tetrahedral voids is present in there friends? 8 and how many octahedral voids is present in there friends? 4. Okay friends, this is so much important friends in any competitive exams friends. How many tetrahedral and octahedral voids are present in face center cubic close packing friends? In face center cubic close packing, rank of unit cell is 4, rank of unit cell is 4 and how many tetrahedral voids is present in 8 and octahedral voids is present in 4 because of the 1 octahedral void in body and 3 octahedral voids in edge centered point. It means 12 edges are present in there. Each edge is a contribution is 1/4. Total this is 3. Okay friends, 3 octahedral voids in with respect to the edge centered point. When 1 octahedral void is body centered. Total is the octahedral void present in the face center cubic close packing is 4. Okay friends, this is the concept of the locating of tetrahedral and octahedral void in face center cubic close packing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.